What color is it? Blue or black? You said you hit something with your bumper.
That's what you do for the brutality at the second round. I just did it to show you what to do. You have to be the last hit, and you have to have the over, I think, 30 health to do it. Well, not 30, no, it's not.
What you hit? You hit something? You scraped the whole goddamn back end of it.
You have to push triangle and square at the same time, and then you can do it. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Peace.